Don't download Zoho CRM Ultimate app before watching this. Before you install Zoho CRM Ultimate, here's the surprising truth most people don't hear. Zoho can be incredibly powerful, but only if you avoid the setup traps that catch new users off guard. Zoho CRM Ultimate gives you advanced automation, predictive high scoring, territory management, and deep analytics. But many users download it thinking it's just a budget-friendly Salesforce. You won't believe how different the experience actually is. First, Zoho shines when your business wants everything in one ecosystem. If you plan to use Zoho Books, Zoho Projects, Zoho Campaigns, or Zoho Desk, Ultimate becomes extremely valuable because every tool talks to each other. But if you're mixing Zoho with a bunch of third-party tools, prepare for extra configuration. Second, most people get the modules wrong. They think the more modules, the better, but Zoho works best when you disable features your team doesn't need. A lean setup leads to faster adoption and fewer abandoned dashboards. Third, the AI features are helpful, but only when you feed the system enough clean data. If your contact list is messy, the scoring model won't be accurate. Zoho is powerful, but it's not magic. It works with what you give it. On the bright side, Zoho Ultimate gives you real value for the price. You get advanced analytics, unlimited customization, automation paths, and AI forecasting at a fraction of what many enterprise CRMs charge. And because the interface is simpler than competitors, teams often get comfortable within a few days. So, should you download Zoho CRM Ultimate? Yes, but only if you're ready to streamline your setup, clean your data, and stick to the modules that truly support your process. If you want a simple drag and drop CRM with no setup, Zoho Ultimate may feel like too much. If this gave you clarity, subscribe for more deep dives before you download any enterprise tools.